How to create a fade-in effect in CapCut Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open up CapCut on a device. Then tap on the plus icon. Now select the video where you want to add the fade-in effect. Then tap on add at the bottom right corner. Now select the clip. Now at the bottom menu, simply look for the animations button. Then simply tap on it. Now select the in button. Now here you can find all of the starting animations. Now simply scroll down and select fade in. Now at the bottom part, you will find a slider. Now drag the slider to adjust the duration of the fade in effect. Longer the duration you set, slower your video will appear. Then tap on next, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.